Good morning to everyone. 10th Standard Social Science, Unit 2, Climate and Natural Vegetation of India. Today we are going to discuss about distribution of rainfall. The average annual rainfall of India is 118 centimeter. However, the spatial distribution of rainfall in the country is highly uneven, not equal. The western coast, Assam, South Meghalaya, Tripura, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh are the heavy rainfall areas which get more than 200 centimeter rainfall. The Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, western southern part of the Uttar Pradesh, Deccan Plateaus and Tamil Nadu coast receive a low rainfall of less than 100 centimeter. Natural vegetations, இயற்கை தாவரங்கள். The natural vegetation refer to a plant community unaffected by man either directly or indirectly. It has existence in certain natural environment. Natural vegetation includes all the plant life forms such as trees, bushes, herbs and forbs, etc. They grow naturally in an area and have been left undistributed by human for a long time. The climate, soil and landforms characteristic are the important environmental controls of natural vegetations. Tropical evergreen forests, பசுமை மாறா காடுகள். These forests are found in area which 200 centimeter rainfall for annual. The annual temperature is about more than 22 degrees Celsius and the average annual humidity exceeds 70% in this region. For examples, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Assam, West Bengal, Nagaland, Tripura, Mizoram. In these places, it has a natural vegetation. Manipur, Meghalaya states have this type of the forest. The most important trees are rubber, mahogany, ebony, rosewood, coconut, bamboo, etc. The tropical deciduous forest, இலையுதிர் காலம், வெப்பமண்டல இலையுதிர் காலம். வெப்பமண்டல இலையுதிர் காலம் என்பது these are found in the area with 100 to 200 centimeter annual rainfall. These are called the monsoon forests. The mean annual temperature of this region is about 27 degrees Celsius and the average annual relative humidity is 60 to 70%. The trees of these forests drop their leaves, இலைகளை உதிர்தல், during the spring, இலை உதிர் காலத்தில் and early summer, கோடை காலத்துக்கு முன்பருவம். Himalayan region, Punjab, Assam, Great Plains, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh are some places, especially Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala. Tropical dry forest, வெப்பமண்டல இலையுதிர் காடுகள், வறட்சியான காடுகள். These are found in the area with 50 to 100 centimeter annual rainfall. They represent a transitional type of the forest. These are found in the eastern Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab, western Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, East Tamil Nadu are the important species. Species means இனங்கள். Are the important species are Mahu, Banyan, Amultas, Palas, Haldu, Kikar, Bamboo, Papul, Kikar, etc. The desert and semi-desert vegetations. These are also called the tropical thorn forests. These are found in the areas having annual rainfall of less than 50 centimeter rainfall. They have a low humidity and high temperature. These are found in the northwest India and includes western Rajasthan, southwestern Rajasthan and Punjab. They are also found in the very dry parts of the Deccan Plateau in Karnataka. Look at the students, look at the map, natural vegetation of India. You can see the clear map. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors are here. Dark green, tropical evergreen forest, tropical orange, tropical deciduous forest, green yellow, tropical dry forest, light green, mountain forest, black, mangrove forest. You can take down the empty map and work out the map. Mountain forests. These forests are classified on the basis of altitude of and amount of rainfall. These are found on the slope of their mountain in the northeast states. மலைகளில் வளரக்கூடிய காடுகள். These forests found in the altitude of 1100 to 2400 kilometers. Sal, oak, laurel, amurs, chestnut, cinnamon are the main trees found here. The rainfall of this region is moderate. These forests are found in the Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, up to 900 meter altitude. Semi-desert vegetation is found and no for bushes and small trees. You can also, students, you can also the India Biosphere Reserves and Wildlife Sanctuaries. இந்தியா உயிர்வாழ் கோலங்கள் மற்றும் வனவிலங்கு பாதுகாப்பு சரணாலயம். You can see the map here. You can see the different colors: green, red, national park symbols, wildlife sanctuary symbols, bird sanctuary symbols, marine park symbols. You can the World Network of Biosphere Reserves in Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu, Agasthiyamalai, Tamil Nadu, Nilgiris. These are important places in Tamil Nadu. Biosphere Reserves, Sheshasalam in Andhra Pradesh, and Ranapkuch, Pachamahiri, Panna, Cold Desert. These are all important places in the Biosphere Reserves. And National Park, you can get a symbols: Pulikat, Gindi, in Puducherry. These are all important places in Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry. And wildlife sanctuaries, bird sanctuaries, marine park in Rameswaram and the Ranapkuch. 2 places in India, marine park. Alpine forest. These forests, it occurs along the Himalayas with above 2400 meter altitude. These are purely having a coniferous trees. Oak, silver, pine and juniper are the main trees of this forest. Next, tidal forest. அது ஓத காடுகள். These forests occurs and around the deltas, estuaries, Mugaduvaram and creeks prone to the tidal influences and such as are known as the delta or swamp forests. The delta of Ganga Brahmaputra has the largest tidal forest. Wildlife, வனவிலங்கு வாழ்வன. The term wildlife includes animals of any habitat in nature. Wild animals are non-domesticated animals and include both vertebrates, fish. Vertebrate means முதுகெலும்பு உள்ள. Fish, ambulance, ambience means ambience means நீர்நில வாழ்வன. ambience means நீர்நில வாழ்வன. reptiles means ஊர்வன, தரையில் ஊர்ந்து போதில் அதான் reptiles சொல்லுவோம். அதுக்கடுத்தது பேர்ட்ஸ் அண்டு மாம்லாஸ். மாம்லாஸ் மீன்ஸ் பாலூட்டிகள், பால் கொடுக்குது இல்லையா, அதான் பாலூட்டிகள். ஆர் இன்வெர்டிபிள்ஸ். இன்வெர்டிபிள்ஸ் மீன்ஸ் முதுகு எலும்பு அற்றது. பீஸ். பீஸ் அண்ட் பட்டர்ஃப்ளைஸ். மாத்ஸ். மாத் மீன்ஸ் அந்துப்பூச்சி. India has a rich and the diversified wildlife. The Indian fauna consists of about 81,251 species animals of our world, total about 1.5 million species. 1.5 million உயிரினங்கள் இருக்குது. Our country is home to tigers, lion, leopards, snow leopards, pithamans. Leopards means சிறுத்தை புலி. பித்தன்ஸ் மீன்ஸ் இந்த மலை பாம்புகள் தான் நம்ம பித்தமன் சொல்கிறோம். உல்ப்ஸ், பாக்ஸஸ், பேர்ஸ். பேர்ஸ் மீன்ஸ் கொர்க்கடைல்ஸ். ரினிசோசரஸ் மீன்ஸ் காண்டாமிருகம். ரினிசோசரஸ், கேமல், வைல்ட் டாக், மங்கி, ஸ்னேக், ஆன்டிபிள்ஸ். ஆன்டில்னா மான். These are all important species in the forest. The Indian Board of Wildlife, IBWL, it was constituted in 1952 to suggest means of protein conservation and management of the wildlife to the government. The Government of India enacted Wildlife Protection Act of 1972 with the objective of the effectively protecting the wildlife of the country and control poaching in illegal trade with wildlife and its diversities. To preserve the country rich and diverse wildlife, a network of 102 national parks and about 515 wildlife sanctuaries across the country have been created. Biosphere reserves. Biosphere reserves are protected area of land coastal environment. The Indian government has established 18 biosphere reserves in India, which protect large areas of mutual natural habitat, which often include few national parks which buffer zones that are open to some economic area. Biosphere reserves in India, 11 of the 18 biosphere reserves, Gulf of Mannar, Nandi Devi, Nilagiri, North Pachamagiri, these are all important biosphere reserves in India. This is the close the end of the lesson. Students, next lesson we will see the next videos. Without fail, all of you carefully write the classwork and read very well. Thank you, students.